100 years ago, just a simple infection from a cut could end your life. Now, doctors can rebuild your body even from severe trauma. We are living in a world where medical miracles have become routine. But while these advances were being developed, our society transitioned. Foods are grown with chemical fertilizers in sterile soil. Toxins have been increasing in the air, water, and food. Emotional stress has become a 24/7 problem. Any health problem is now treated with a multitude of drugs. The result has been an epidemic of chronic illness. Chronic means that the problem continues indefinitely or keeps recurring. An example would be heart disease, the #1 killer that affects half the population. Heart disease was a fairly rare problem 100 years ago. Same with diabetes, which is also currently considered an epidemic. Same with hormone problems that cause fatigue, anxiety, depression, female problems, and the same with digestive issues such as IBS, heartburn, reflux, GERD, constipation. None of these were common problems 100 years ago. But today, according to the CDC, over half the US population has one or more chronic health conditions. But as chronic problems have worsened, there has been little advance in the ability of medicine to resolve them. A better solution is desperately needed for chronic health problems. I'm Dr. Melody Billiot. 25 years ago, patients began coming to me when they realized that their regular doctors weren't able to help them. I began researching how I could best help these people to get their health back. The answer began with a simple concept. Instead of treating symptoms, conditions, or specific health problems, assist the body to get back to its normal condition of being able to repair and maintain itself. Here's how it works. Your body was designed to continuously heal and rebuild itself. But if there's too much stress in the environment, then your body won't be able to keep up with the repair. It will develop health problems, conditions, and diseases. I have found that the key to success with health problems is to be an effective assistant for the body so it can continue to keep its healing process moving forward. This is a major departure from conventional healthcare, where the doctor is trying to relieve a specific condition or symptom. I have gotten the best results by assisting the body to move progressively through the healing process in the way that it wants to, instead of just treating a particular problem or symptom. With this approach, the symptoms resolve, but treatment is done based on what the body wants, instead of just chasing symptoms. I've seen this result in much more rapid and broad symptom relief, and to the body being able to recover from unsolvable, difficult, and long-term problems. The results of this unique approach have been so rewarding. I have been able to help my patients in resolving problems that have no medical solution, those where the drug side effects were worse than the condition they were treating, and those where nothing had ever worked at all. I have been able to assist my patients' bodies to resolve problems with hormones, digestion, infertility, fatigue, children's problems, blood sugar issues, circulation problems, immune problems, weight, and many more. I have developed a treatment system to implement this assist the body to heal approach. The treatment system begins with a careful testing and evaluation. Based on this testing, I select from many different treatment options to create a customized, individual treatment program. As healing progresses and the body changes, the program is adjusted using different techniques based on what the body tests for. I have named this treatment system Evectix. Evectix is a word from the 1800s that meant the method of obtaining health. The word disappeared from dictionaries in the early 1900s as medicine became more about the relief of symptoms and less about health. Evectix is a science-based solution for many chronic health problems. It is based on the fact that your body heals step by step in a continuous progression. Evectix proves that you can get well if a doctor facilitates this process and prevents the healing from stopping at any point. I have discovered the sequence of steps that the body goes through in the healing process and created a chart from this information, which I call the Evectix Chart to Health and Wellness. I use the chart to guide treatment and to inform patients of exactly where they are in the process of recovering their health. The golden columns on the right represent the steps of improving health on a cellular level using targeted supplements. The blue and green columns on the left represent the steps of relieving stress that otherwise would prevent the cellular healing from happening. These two sides of the chart are coordinated with each other so that any step of cellular healing is matched to the necessary step of stress relief. Stress relief is accomplished with dietary improvements and specialized acupressure therapies. There are two acupressure therapies, one for eliminating allergies and the other for relieving hormone imbalances. Each acupressure therapy can be used for many different applications. The gray column on the far right lists the actions that are available and the functional lab testing needed for that level of the chart. With the Evectix Chart to Health and Wellness, you always know exactly where your body is on the route to recovering your health. You know what is next and what to expect. I have eliminated the guesswork and trial and error that's normally found in healthcare. In the past, healthcare has had the goal to reduce or eliminate a specific symptom or condition. With Evectix, the goal is for you to no longer have your life damaged or impaired by your health. When you get to the top of the Evectix chart, you should be able to actively maintain your own health for the rest of your life. To find out more about how your body can heal progressively toward a state of stable health, instead of trying to just address individual conditions or individual symptoms, contact me. I would be honored to help you.